Conversation at the hotel.
Good evening. Welcome to Grand Horizon Hotel. How may I assist you?
Good evening. I have a reservation under the name Michael Adams.
Let me check that for you. Yes, Mr. Adams. You have booked a deluxe room for 3 nights, correct?
Yes, that's correct. Is breakfast included in the booking?
Yes, breakfast is included and served from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. in our restaurant on the first floor.
That's great. By the way, do you have a gym and a swimming pool?
Yes, we do. The gym is open 24 hours, and the pool is available from 6 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Perfect. Could you also arrange a wake-up call for me at 6:30 a.m. tomorrow?
Of course, sir. I'll set that up for you. Would you like assistance with your luggage?
No, I can manage. But could you tell me the Wi-Fi password?
Certainly, the Wi-Fi password is Grand Horizon 2025. You can connect to the Grand Horizon guest network.
Thank you. Also, is there a good restaurant nearby for dinner?
Yes, I recommend Ocean Breeze Restaurant, just a 5-minute walk from here. They serve excellent seafood and steak.
That sounds wonderful. Do I need a reservation?
It's recommended, but they also accept walk-ins. Would you like me to book a table for you?
Yes, please. A table for 1 at 7:30 p.m. would be great.
Consider it done, sir. Here is your room key. You'll be staying in room 502 on the 5th floor.
Thank you. One last thing. How do I contact room service?
Simply dial 0 from your room phone, and our staff will assist you.
Got it. Thanks for all your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your stay at Grand Horizon Hotel.
Conversation at the mall.
Wow, this mall is huge. Where should we go first?
Let's check out that new clothing store. I heard they have a big sale today.
Sounds good. I could use a new jacket for the colder months.
Same here. Oh, look at that mannequin. That dress is gorgeous.
It really is, but do you think it would suit me?
Definitely, you should try it on.
All right, let's go inside. Oh, they have a buy one get one deal.
Even better, maybe we can split the cost and get matching outfits.
That's a great idea. Let's look around for more options first.
Sure, I also need a pair of sneakers. Mine are getting pretty worn out.
We should head to the sports store after this then.
Good plan. Oh, the fitting rooms are over there. I'll wait for you.
Thanks, I'll be quick.
Take your time. I'll check out some accessories while I wait.
I'm back. What do you think? Does this dress look good on me?
It looks amazing. You should definitely get it.
All right, I'm convinced. Let's head to the cashier.
Perfect. After this, let's grab something to eat. I'm starving.
Same. There's a new cafe on the second floor. Want to try it?
Yes, shopping and good food. This is the perfect mall day.
Conversation at the workplace.
Hey Jake, did you finish the report for the client meeting this afternoon?
Not yet, but I'm almost done. I just need to double-check the data.
Make sure to verify the figures carefully. The client is very detail-oriented.
Got it. I'll send it to you once I've reviewed everything.
Great. By the way, did you hear about the new project we're starting next month?
Yeah, I heard some details in the last meeting. It sounds challenging but exciting.
Exactly, we'll be working with the marketing team, so there will be a lot of collaboration.
That's good. I think cross-departmental projects help us learn a lot.
True, but they also require a lot of coordination. Communication will be key.
Speaking of communication, have you checked your inbox? The manager sent an update this morning.
Oh, I haven't seen it yet. Let me check now.
It's mostly about deadlines and role assignments for the upcoming project.
Thanks for the heads up. I'll go through it and take some notes.
No problem. Also, don't forget we have the weekly team meeting in an hour.
Right, I almost forgot. Do you know what topics we'll be discussing?
Mostly project updates and some feedback from last week's presentation.
Sounds important. I'll make sure to prepare some points to discuss.
Good idea. I think the manager will appreciate some input from our team.
All right, let's wrap up our tasks so we're ready for the meeting.
Agreed. Let's get to work. Conversation at home. Honey, I'm home.
Welcome back. How was your day?
Pretty exhausting. Meetings, deadlines, and traffic, everything piled up.
Sounds rough. Want some tea to relax?
That would be great. Thanks, love.
By the way, I tried that new recipe today. Want to taste it?
Of course. You always make the best food.
Flattery will get you extra dessert.
Perfect. Oh, did you manage to call the plumber?
Yes, he's coming tomorrow morning to fix the sink.
That's a relief. I was worried it would get worse.
Yeah, me too. Anyway, do you have any plans for the weekend?
I was thinking we could go for a short trip. Just the two of us.
That sounds amazing. Where are we going?
Maybe a cabin near the lake? A peaceful getaway.
I love that idea. Let's start packing tomorrow.
Deal. But first, let's have dinner. I'm starving.
All right, take a seat. I'll bring everything to the table.
You're the best. I'm so lucky to have you.
And don't you forget it.
Please subscribe, like and comment, and see you in the next video. Thank you.